So we've deployed our workload with the IBM Open Patterns and vRealize. Next we want to show you workload wide area vMotion. That is the movement of these workloads from one data center to another. So this truly shows you the value of the IBM Cloud, IBM Open Patterns, and the VMware product suite, including the benefits of software-defined networking and NSA. And we're going to move a workload from one deployed data center to another, bringing all the network components along with. So to do that, we know our workload is .15. We're just going to confirm, go back to our vRealize console. Here where we saw our network with the .15 address, and that's tied to the VRA-VM239. So that's the workload we're actually going to move. Now to start the workload move is, let's just ping that workload is still active. And what we want to do is during the wide area vMotion, we'll come back to this particular ping task and we will actually see the time in milliseconds to the workload. When it actually reduces in time, we're going to see that it's actually much closer to where we're sitting here in the United States. Right now it's sitting in Dallas, so it's got a ping return time of just over 100 milliseconds. That time should be dramatically decreased when the workloads moved into the IBM Cloud and the Dallas data centers. So move to our vSphere web client. Here we have the Amsterdam data center. We have our Dallas data center. Underneath the workloads, there's no workloads there present, and there's the two workloads I deployed earlier. So I'm going to take the 239 workload and click migrate. It then starts a basic wizard up. Select the migration choice. We're going to change both the compute and the storage. Click next. Select the data center where we're actually going to deploy it into. And in here, we're going to deploy it into the Dallas cluster. It does a validation on the Dallas cluster. And we click next. For the data store, we're going to select the vSAN data store. Select the folder where we're going to put the workload, and then we choose the destination network segment. So I'm looking for the same network segment, and we're choosing exactly the same network segment so that when it does the wide area vMotion, it takes across the software defined network settings and keeps the IP address intact. So it moves the entire workload with the IP address. Click next. Schedule high priority. Click next. And click finish. And now we can actually see the vMotion starting. Let's click our move this. You can see the timing's changed now to 1 millisecond. You can see the request is, if we just do a refresh on this console, and we can see our VRA workload is down here. So that completes moving the workload from one data center to another. So what you've seen in this demo is us deploy from the Raleigh data center into Amsterdam data center, and then do a wide area workload vMotion from the Amsterdam data center to Dallas.